Do not sign that contract until you watch this. So you want to, one of the key components that you want to do in your contract is make sure you have what's called an inspection, a due diligence period or feasibility period that gives you enough time to do a walkthrough in that property and check the property and see and make sure the property is in good condition. I can't tell you how many times I've seen people go into a contract that are new, don't know what they're doing, and are not using a real estate agent. If you're trying to do this stuff on your own, make sure you have an inspection period that gives you your out so they can't come after you and sue you. If you're doing it virtually, make sure you get somebody out there to take photos, look at the ceiling, the roof, the foundation, and make sure that if it's an older property, what I like to do, if it's an older property that's older than 20 years, I also like to purchase home warranties so it helps protect when I go into a property. That gives me the insurance policy, if you will. If you want to know more about creative seller financing strategies, type the word in creative and we'll get some information out. And if you like what you hear, follow me for more.